How to change Google Maps from walking to driving. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Maps application on your device over here. Now make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Then what you're going to do is tap on the search option over here and search for a location. Now as you tap on that, here you'll be given the location. Now just tap on the direction option over here. So tap on directions and here choose a start location. Now let's select a location over here to start with. So I've selected the start location as well. So right now under the option over here, you have three options, either walking, by bus or by private vehicle or your car. So you just have a tap from walking to driving over here. So tap on it and you'll be given a direction precisely according to your mode of traffic or according to your mode of the device that you have. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.